So the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing, listen to what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flocks by night, them see a bright new shining star, them hear a choir sing, the music seemed to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing, listen to what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. By and by they find a little nook in a stable all forlorn, and in a manger cold and dark Mary's little boy was born. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing, listen to what they say, yes, man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Well done, everyone. Very good singing. Just have a swig of my gin and tonic. Not. It's water. Now, last year there was a very special little girl in the audience. My friend Hilary. She adopted a little girl called Amy, and I had my photograph taken with her, and it was a lovely, lovely time. And they would be here today, but unfortunately 2 weeks ago little Amy slipped and fell, and she's broken her hip. She's only 9, and I went to see her yesterday, and she's all in this red plaster and feeling very sorry for herself, of course. So I told her I would dedicate this next song to her because it's her mummy's favourite. It's also my daughter Lisa's favourite as well. So, and it's one of my favourites, come to think of it. And it was written by Joni Mitchell, who is a great singer, writer, guitarist, fantastic lady. And this is one of her better songs, not better songs, but one of her favourite songs that people seem to have taken to this one from her album Blue, which I notice on lots of radio programmes people say that this is their favourite album. So I think it's one of my favourites as well. It's called River. It's coming on Christmas, cutting down trees, putting up reindeer and singing songs of joy and peace. Wish I had a river I could skate away on. won't snow here, stays pretty green. Gonna make a lot of money, then I'm gonna quit this crazy scene. Well, I wish I had a river I could skate away on. Well, I wish I had a river so long I would teach my feet to fly. Whoa, I wish I had a river to skate away. I made my baby cry. He tried hard to help me and put me at ease. Lord, he loved me so naughty, he made me weak in the knees. Wish I had a river I could skate away on. Well, I'm so hard to handle, selfish and I'm sad. I lost the best baby that I ever had. Wish I had a river I could skate away on. Well, I wish I had a river so long I would teach my feet to fly. Whoa, I wish I had a river to skate away. I made my baby say goodbye. It's coming on Christmas, cutting down trees, putting up reindeer and singing songs of joy and peace. Wish I had a river I could skate away on. Well, I wish I had a river so long I would teach my feet to fly. Whoa, I wish I had a river I'd skate away. Yes, that's quite hard to play that because she actually plays it on the piano, so I had to transpose it to the guitar, and it's quite tricky. Don't always play it correctly, but I think I did then. Thank you. That was Joni Mitchell's River. So you probably, some of you didn't know that one, but there was lots coming up that you will know. Now I know that we have some Welsh speakers in today. Come all the way from North Wales just to see me. Only joking. So I thought I'd like to do a little song in Welsh. And it is a beautiful song, and it could be for the baby Jesus, because it's a lullaby. So we could pretend it's for him, but it's not. It's for somebody called Osian. And it was from a musical that was performed 40 years ago in the National Eisteddfod in Carmarthen in 1974. It was called Nia Ben Aur, Nia Golden Hair. A lovely story about Nia, who lives in the Never Never Land, and Osian has heard about her beauty, and he sails across from Ireland to the Never Never Land to meet with her and finally marry her. But of course, he longed to go home, as we all do sometimes, don't we? We all get this hiraeth. We want to go home, and he had to sail home back to Ireland, and he was warned if he went back to Ireland, he would die. But that's the price he paid, and he went back to Ireland. Left poor old Nia Ben Aur stranded without her husband, but there you go. So this song comes in the middle of the production, where he has landed in the Never Never Land. He's been through a storm, and he's on the rocks, and Nia Ben Aur's maidservants come down and say, "Oh, Osian, You don't know what you've let yourself in for, mate. Sort of a thing, okay. And they say, sleep on, or your troubles will be many. Of course they are in the end. Poor old Osher. Cwsgan glid, and a hyd o gryd. Caibio brad a lyd, rwysg dy myd. Trabo gwai a thrabo angau maen, trabo cledd yn rhydd o'r wain, wsg ymlaen, ddeleddi dydd, dofnau cydd, gwsg ymlaen, gwsg ymlaen, gwsg ymlaen. Cwsgosian, cwsgan rhydd, cwsg rhag bod yn bryd. Cwsg gyda'r freuddwyd cydd, cwsg ferraw a dydd. Dawr i'w swyn y don, rhyw freuddwyd mwyn, dawr i'w rhadd i trag da gwyn, cwsg yn fwyn. Daw hyd o ddydd, cael ddiw yn rhydd, cwsg yn fwyn, cwsg yn fwyn, cwsg yn fwyn. Cwsgosian, cwsgan glyd, and a hyd o gryd. Cwsg caibio brad a lyd, cwsg rwysg Forgot to say that was written by somebody called Alan Hughes and Clive Harpwood, who wrote this musical. Forgot to say that I was near Ben Ayr. Yes, I enjoyed that. And many schools around Wales are still doing that. It's lovely to see the youngsters with their long blonde wigs and stuff playing the part that I made famous. I wished I'd had a wig in 1974, but there we go. Didn't go in for wigs then, did we? Perhaps. Not so much as they do now. Everything's false now, isn't it? Fake tan, eyelashes. There's not much about my 21-year-old that I recognise anymore. She's working hard in Marks and Spencer's this morning, so she can't be here, but my other daughter is here. Hello! Oh, there's lots of daughters waving. No, only one's mine. Right, what else shall we do now? Do you want to do a sing-along now? Yeah, it's about time we did a bit of Christmas now. I hope you've got everything ready. I think I did most of mine in Aldi's on Sunday afternoon. There weren't many people there then. It's the best time to shop, you know. Of course, I get 20% off in Marks and Spencer's with my daughter working there, which is very useful sometimes. Who's that lady up there? She doesn't fall. Nice fairy up there, in case you... Okay, come on, it's your turn to sing now. I have a little bit of a moment. Poor old Cliff Richard, he's always getting horrible things said about him. I don't think it's fair. So let's do a little song of his. It's Christmas Christmas time, mistletoe and wine, children singing Christian rhyme, with logs on the fire, gifts on the tree, a time to rejoice in the good that we see. Yes, Christmas time, mistletoe and wine, children singing Christian rhyme, with logs on your fire, gifts on the tree, a time to rejoice in the good that we see. Just hear those sleigh bells ring-a-ling-ring, ding-a-ding-a-ding too. You know it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-dong-ding, 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 ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-dong-ding. Just hear those sleigh bells ring-a-ling-ring, ding-a-ding-a-ding too. You know it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. You know it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-dong-ding, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-dong-ding, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-dong-ding. One for the children. Don't know if they know it. Little donkey on the dusty road, got to keep on plodding onward with your precious load. Been a long time, little donkey, there's a star ahead. It will guide you, little donkey, to a cattle shed. Ring out those bells tonight, Bethlehem, Bethlehem. Follow that star tonight, Bethlehem, Bethlehem. Little donkey had a busy day. Little donkey carry Mary safely on her way. Ring out those bells tonight, Bethlehem, Bethlehem. Follow that star tonight, Bethlehem, Bethlehem. Little donkey had a busy day. Little donkey carry Mary safely on her way. Little donkey carry Mary safely on her way. Right? We couldn't really do a sing-along without this one. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white, green we prefer, don't we? Don't want it to be white. Always causes so much distress at Christmas if it's snowing. You can't get to see your loved ones, and you fall over in the snow and stuff like that. I know when it was snowing one year, I took my car to the bottom of the road to deliver the cards. It's a bit of an incline, and unfortunately I couldn't get the car back up. It stayed down there for a few days. Oh, that was terrible. One for the kids. I should have brought some bells, shouldn't I? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ooh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Through the fields we go, laughing all the way, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling, Santa Claus in George. Africana bobbing, hooray, Santa Claus. Oh, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, Santa Claus in George. Africana bobbing, hooray, Santa Claus. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ever done that? Ever been in an open sleigh? I'd love to do that, wouldn't you? I've never done it either. The best we could do was a tray going down Caerphilly Mountain. That wasn't much fun, I can tell you. Especially when you reach the bottom. Oh, the children today, I don't know. They're having so many things, aren't they? Aren't they lucky? Now, some of us who are over 21, we'll remember having a lovely stocking with an orange. Oh, an orange. And an apple. Oh, an apple. And if you're very lucky, a piece of coal. Oh, I longed for that piece of coal, didn't you? What did they do with the coal? I suppose it was for luck. I think it was for luck. But I didn't want coal in my stocking. And my father used to bring out these horrible dates, you know, with a little wooden spoon thingy, fork. Oh, they were horrible as well. But there you go. We loved it, didn't we? And we used to have one present, a doll or a train or a little homemade lorry that your grandfather had made you. And one year I had a doll's house that my grandfather, William Morris Jones from Aberaeron, he'd made it for me. Oh, it was beautiful. And I really regret now that I got rid of it. I shouldn't have. I should have kept that and done it up. And there you go. So then, of course, in the 70s, we had tights. So we had 2 oranges and 2 apples and 2 pieces of coal. And we used to have a new toothbrush every year, didn't we? Remember that? Now we've got to have one every 3 weeks when the things go down. But no, we had one toothbrush every year in the old days. And dentifrice toothpaste. Remember that? Pink in a little tin? Oh, I loved that. I don't know why. I think it's because it was pink. And then in the 70s, when my eldest daughter was born, she put up a pillowcase. Pillowcase with a lovely operations game in it and a nurse's outfit. Wonderful. And then, of course, came the plastic sacks, even bigger. And now, of course, today the children will be hanging up double duvet covers to get all the stuff in. Unless they have one of these little, you know, phones or an iPad or something. Things are getting smaller, aren't they? But, oh, I don't know. I think we all have too much. Too much. But there you go. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no ma'am, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland, walking in a winter wonderland. Well, thank you very much. The voice is still just about there, I think. Oh dear. I had to cancel all my concerts last week. So I'm determined to come here and do this one. Well, I know she's going to give me a row if I don't do this song. There's quite a few of my friends are here. Nice to have friends, isn't it? So this is especially for Lynn and Robin. Been very wonderful friends to me. And it's a Kate and Anna McGarrigle song. Some of you may have heard of her. Them, rather, but some of you may not. Kate was married to Loudon Wainwright III, and his children are Rufus Wainwright and Martha Wainwright. And this is where it all came from, I suppose. Some say the heart is just like a wheel. When you bend it, you can't mend it. But my love for you is like a sinking ship. My heart is on that ship out in mid-ocean. Done, no love can be won. I know it happens frequently, and I can't understand. But please, God, hold my hand. Why it had to happen to me, and it's only love, and it's only love that can wreck a human being and turn them inside out. And it's only love, yes, it's only love, and it's only love, yeah, it's only love. Ooh, love, heart like a Well, I did promise I'd do a few more Welsh ones, as people have come from North Wales. This has been popularised in a way by Cerys Matthews, who's recorded it in a sort of folky country style. It's actually an American hymn that came over here. And we in Wales have taken it upon ourselves to adopt this lovely tune. So, if you know the words, please join in. If you know them in English, join in. If you know them in Spanish, well done. Mi glaw dyner lais yn galw arna fi I ddod a golchi mae ei gyd yn afon Calvary. Arglwydd dyma fi ar dy alwad di. Can ymhenai dyn y gwaed a gaid ar Galfari. Yr Iesu sy'n fy ngwar I dderbyn gyda'i saith I gofal cariad byr a hen a phob rhyw nebol fraint. Arglwydd dyma fi ar dy alwad di. Can ymhenai dyn y gwaed a gaid ar Galfari. Gogoniant byth am drefn a cymod ar glanhad. Derbyniodd Iesu fel yr hwy a chanaf am y gwaed. Arglwydd dyma fi ar dy alwad di. Can ymhenai dyn y gwaed a gaid ar Galfari. Arglwydd dyma fi ar dy alwad di. Can ymhenai dyn y gwaed a gaid ar Galfari. Amen. Amen. Hallelujah. Right, well, I haven't got much voice left, I have to say. It's awful, isn't it? Awful being ill. Especially when you're a singer now. If I'd been an instrumentalist, it'd be all right. Hello, Grace. Is your name Grace? Hello. I know it's Grace. Well, my favourite carol, though it wasn't on the top 10 list, is this next one. It's such a beautiful tune. Imagine it's sung by a boy chorister or a girl chorister in a cathedral. I'd love to hear it. Tiny child, bye bye, Lule, Lule. us too. How many do? For to preserve His day, this boy and Lee, for whom we do sing. Bye bye, There was a king in his raging, charged he hath this day. This man of might in his own sight, all poor younglings to slay. Oh, woe is me, poor child for thee, and ever mourn and sad for thy parting, neither sang nor sing. Bye bye, That was, of course, the Coventry Carol. I think it's such a beautiful tune. I wish I'd written it myself. Well, I don't know if you saw Songs of Praise at the weekend. It's my mum's favourite programme. Yes, she's still going strong. She'll be 96 next year. And Songs of Praise is her favourite. And she just told me to tell you all she would be here if she could. But she doesn't get out much anymore. So, this is her favourite anyway. In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan, earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow, snow, snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, long ago. Angels and archangels must have gathered there, cherubim and seraphim throng the air, but only His mother in her maiden bliss worship the beloved with a kiss. that I would do my part. Let what I have I give you, give my heart, give my heart. Just a quick one for the kids. Can have a little bit of a dance if they want. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They wouldn't let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeers loved him, shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. La da di da dum dum da, la di da da da, la da di da dum dum da, la di da da da. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeers loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. Yes, I forgot to put my watch on this morning. It's the only thing I forgot. Remembered everything else. Right, we come to the last song. I better have a slurp of water. Gin and tonic, whatever you like to think. So, another Christmas Eve gone. I can't believe it. It seems long since I was here last year doing this concert. It's been lovely. I love doing this concert. It's my favourite concert, I must say. To be a person from Cardiff, to sing in Cardiff, it means a lot to me. I've been all over the Principality singing in Welsh, in Wales, been across the world, but there's no place like home, and especially Cardiff. In the lovely words of Frank Hennessy, I'm Cardiff born and Cardiff bred, and when I dies, I'll be definitely Cardiff dead. I expect he's been busy this year as well. So, we come to the nation's favourite hymn. I don't know whether you agree with it. There are lots, carol. Lots of nice songs, lots of nice carols, but this is the one that was voted the top one on Songs of Praise on Sunday, and Michael Ball sang it. But he didn't sing the second verse. Now, I've been trying my best to learn the second verse, because as you get older, it's harder to learn things, isn't it? It doesn't sink in as well as it used to. So, I hope I remember the words. If they're a bit weird, I apologise. I might make them up. I've been learning them I've been rehearsing them, I should say, in the steam room of the gym I go to in JW. A lovely steam room if you ever fancy a steam. It really helps this chest. So I apologise to people in the steam room if they could hear me sing. But a lovely, lovely, lovely carol now for you to finish up. Let's see if I got the right key. Yes. Nothing worse than starting off a song in the wrong key, especially if it goes high. You don't stand a chance. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. 'Tis the night of the dear Saviour's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. Over the world the star is sweetly gleaming. Now come the wise men from the Orient land. The King of Kings lay thus in lowly manger, in all our trials born to be our friend. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Hooray! I got the top note. Yeah. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas to you all. Nadolig llaw i ni chi gyd, a blwyddyn newydd dda. Hwrê!